वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुलारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णा प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमय प्रदीपः नमो नमः. Good afternoon, good morning from wherever you are joining. Last week we rushed through last three shlokas of the 18th chapter. We'll quickly touch upon that one, and we'll start on the first chapter of Bhagavad Gita, which we did not cover, and we started from second. Now we will complete the loop with the first chapter. And I have been telling the story after story. Today it's Matsya Jayanti. Matsya Jayanti, in this Manvantara, the first avatara of the Lord is Matsya. In the form of Matsya, the Satya Vrata story, and he saw a small fish while doing the morning sandhya. He taking the water in his palm. Small fish came, and he put it in a small bowl. And the next day he saw a fish had grown big, so he put it onto a small tank. There also it became big. He moved it to a well. There also it became big. He moved it to a lake. There also it became big. Then he moved it to the ocean, and that ocean, that it kept on becoming big, and Matsyavatara, that he realized this is none other than Bhagavan himself. Bhagavan himself can do that one, and he asked the Upadesha. Satyavrata, he was from the previous Manvantara to this Manvantara transition, and Bhagavan gave the advice to him. What are the things? Now the deluge will happen, everything will go. Conserve the essentials. In the next Manvantara, this will be useful. So that is he